Hello, this is Marcia, all the way from Florida. Hope you're having a great day today. Today, we're going to decorate a binder together. So the Happy Mail binder. Okay, so this is one I get from Office Depot, and I don't have a link, but you can just go to Office Depot and purchase this. This is obviously the bigger size is 10.5, I would say, and 11.5 approximately. I do want to get the smaller size next time. I like this because your regular, what do you call that? Notebook paper, you know, like the children's school lined paper fits in here perfectly. And I like that. And, you know, when I write, I have a lot to say. There's a lot on my mind. That's one of the things I don't like about all the little small blocks, even with like a bullet journal. I mean, I want the whole big section. Don't limit me to some little teeny tiny word, you know, thing. Anyway. So here what we're going to do today. Now, I saw this on another video I was watching, and I thought it was such a clever idea. I loved it. I hate getting glue all over me. And so, an easy way, if you're going to glue this, now you got to mess with the glue. So what you do is you take your piece and then you just put it where you want it on the page, and you take a pencil, just lift up the corner and just make a little mark, like a number 7. And then here, like a number 7. And then down here, like a, whatever you call that. I say a 7, but anyway, you get the point. Just make a little mark where it's going to be on the page. Then what you do, genius, you come back along, and I should have gotten the glue down on this already, so bear with me as I get the glue to go to the end of the bottle where I need it. My trash can is overflowing, but I jammed so much paper down in there that I can't get the bag out. So I have to wait for my husband to do it. Okay, let me get my chair up to the table. Okay. Now, the drape that I have here, this is also my photo area, so this table serves a dual purpose. So it's my crafting table, it's my photo taking table, it's my shipping table, so the rest of the room is taken up with craft supplies. Yes, I keep telling my husband, do not let me buy anything else, okay? Until all of these supplies are used up. So that is my goal. I'm going to use up all of these supplies. And whatever I don't sell in my Etsy shop will be used in giveaways and gifts throughout the year. But obviously my first goal is to make back some of the money that I've spent on buying supplies over the last couple of decades. I know that I'm not alone in this dilemma. So that's why I have my Etsy shop, because I love making things and making useful, pretty things for everybody. Not just things, but useful things. I love making useful things. That is one of my missions for my business, is that everything that I make is not just pretty, but it's also useful. So I think that that is what we all strive for. There are some things that are just decorative, but I like to have things that are useful, not just decorative. very few things do I have that are just pretty decorations. I do have a great butterfly collection of, specimens that were in glass domes. I've been a butterfly collector since I was 8 years old, and I just absolutely fell in love with butterflies, their colors, just floating free from flower to flower, and I love flowers. My whole yard is filled with plants and flowers, and I love bees and things of that sort as well. So I signed up on the National Wildlife Federation to make my yard a certified backyard wildlife habitat. So that was something fun, and that's a nice, cool project to do. So check out their website, and it can be done in any country, any location. Okay, so now we're going to take our piece, and we're going to line up with those bottom pencil marks first, and reposition it here just a wee bit. Okay, where's my... Okay, hiding underneath it there. I got something. What is that? Okay. All right, so makeshift bone folder, old card, expired card. Okay. Alrighty. So this is going to be the cover piece on the binder. So the back piece I will not decorate up to the extent that I am going to decorate up the front piece. So now we're going to just continue to decoupage pieces to the front of our cover. I have the fan going today behind me, so I may have to turn it off if it starts to make my glue dry too fast. But right now, it's okay. And I did not know there was some kind of an African dust storm that's affecting the continents, the world, in addition to everything else that's affecting us. Okay, so that piece I don't want. So, alright, another book page I'm going to put down here on this corner. So when you decoupage, what I love about decoupaging is that, again, just like butterflies, just go with the flow. There's no right or wrong way to decoupage, other than you do want it to look pretty. I've seen some pretty ugly decoupage pieces. But to that person, it was beautiful, and that's all that matters. If it's beautiful to you, then that's really the ultimate goal, is just to make it look beautiful to you. Okay, so we're going to tear some of these pieces. I don't know. This is all about sunshine, box of sunshine, sunshine gifts at box. So I'm trying not to go too overkill with the yellow. So let's bring in some more white. Okay, balance, everything, there's balance. You gotta have balance. Life, everything in life, there needs to be balance. So Even in creating and crafting, there needs to be balance. Painting, there needs to be balance. Cooking, there needs to be balance. You go overboard on the spices and nobody likes it. What would have been a beautiful dish is now something that's not even edible because you went overkill on the spices. So that's what you have to remember. Everything in life has to be balanced. Too much of a good thing. Always remember that. Spoils the effect. My next goal for myself creatively is to make my own graphic designs, digital downloads and prints from my daughter's original artwork pieces. I had a piece I was going to show you this morning, and I put it back where it was supposed to be. Okay, so that's all I'm going to do on this page right now. I'm going to go clean my brush, and then this is going to dry, and then once it's dried, it will have its little home right here in the front cover. And then what I'm going to do, if you remember back, if you check out, I'm not sure, I think I do have another video, go back through and look for my yes I do, the Happy Mail binder, and you'll see how I decorate the side here with my snippet collage border pieces. And then what I'm going to do on the spine is just cut a piece, probably from this strips here. So I will be making 2 of the Sunshine in a Box theme, Sunshine Gifts theme, and they will be both available for purchase in my Etsy shop once they are ready. If you do want them, and I have to complete the whole set, and what's going to be going in this set is also some more handmade gifts that, if you look back on the video that I did about making your own Sunshine in a gift box. So that's what this is, and then all of the gifts. I'm trying to hold my brush, trying to open everything at once. Okay, so then I just put a piece here, and then what's in the tissue will be revealed later when it goes into my Etsy shop. Okay, and then what is going to also be included, so you'll get this box with the contents of this box. You'll get this binder, and then it will be completely finished with everything inside, just like if you saw my other Happy Mail binders. Like I said, go back and watch those. I'm pretty sure I showed you what I did with inside of those. So I make my own file folders and pocket pages, and then goodies go on top and inside and all that kind of thing. And journals and what have you will be in there. So this is going to be a really, really nice gift set. And then this is not all. So then this entire thing will come in another gift box. And that is the over-the-top, fabulous icing on the top, cherry, for, whipped cream, whatever you say, on top. So this is going to be an over-the-top, beautiful gift for anyone. It can be broken down and made into 3 gifts, or you can, keep it all for yourself, and you'll shower yourself and spoil yourself with all the gifts. Give it to 3 different people. Keep keep one for yourself, give 2 to somebody else, however you want to do it. But this will be 3 gifts in this whole collection that are useful and beautiful. This can also be used as a storage box for your ephemera, just all kinds of things, your supplies, your pen collections, whatever you want, your tag collections, whatever you want to use to keep in this. But this is a lovely little box that I've decorated. And then of course the binder will just be wonderful, and it's going to have sections. You're just going to love how I'm going to theme this. This is going to be a life binder for you. So it's something that you'll be able to use not just once or twice. It's going to be for your entire life. You'll be able to continue to use it. And then the gift box that it's going to come in is going to be absolutely fabulous. You will just go wild when you see what I have come up with for that. And anyone can use it. It will be so amazing. I'm so excited about it. So this is all, like I said, brand new stuff coming to you. It will be going in my Etsy shop. So I'm so excited about it. So just keep a mental note, and if you want one of the collections, again, there will only be 2 in this Sunshine collection. The price point on this will probably be around $100. So just keep that in mind, put it in your budget, but it will be well worth the money. Just the one gift box that this is all going to go in is worth $100. So just to let you know. So then you're basically getting the rest of this for free. Anyway, and then that will have free shipping in the USA, and international shipping will probably be around $35 or $40. So just keep that in mind as well in your budget. But most of my customers are here in the USA. I've had international customers a lot as well, but just so that you can start budgeting for that or keep that in your mind. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspired you. I hope you're excited to find out and that you'll come back and craft along with me. So once this dries, like I said, then I will, in the meantime, off camera, make the little border for here on this that goes on the outside. This will go in the sleeve, but then I decorate the outside as well. So come back with me on that as we decorate that, and then we'll decorate the inside together on another video. So that will be 3 videos. All right, thanks so much, and please help me subscribe to my channel to reach my goal. I'm so excited. I just cannot thank Miss Edith enough from Scrapbooking with Me. She's helping me reach my goal. And anybody else who has an established channel, if you're willing to help me reach my goal, I'm willing to join one of your challenges for that. She did a beautiful thing this month. I just love how much her heart shows. She is such a loving, giving person. And so thank you so much. My first goal was 100 subscribers. I'm at 91 at my last count. And so my ultimate goal by the end of this year, 2020, to be 1,000 subscribers. So I'm going to just keep bringing you these beautiful videos, and hopefully give you great inspiration and gifts that you can be doing. And then also help me out with my channel by subscribing and sharing and watching the videos, and then also visiting me in my Etsy shop. So thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.